Welcome back, Grill Masters. Today we compare the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Indoor Grill with the Breville Smart Grill Pro and the Cuisinart Griddler Elite. If you're ready to upgrade your indoor grilling game, stay tuned. First, we have the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Indoor Grill. It's not just a grill, it also air fries, bakes, roasts, and dehydrates. Pros: 1. Smart thermometer ensures perfectly cooked meats. 2. 6 cooking functions for versatility. 3. Large capacity for family meals. 4. Easy to clean with removable parts. Cons: 1. Bulky design not ideal for tight spaces. 2. Premium price at over $250. If you want an all-in-one grill, the Ninja delivers, but how does it compare? The Breville Smart Grill Pro combines precision and style. Pros: 1. Adjustable plates for grilling, paninis, and griddling. 2. Built-in probe thermometer for perfect results. 3. Durable stainless steel construction. 4. Compact for smaller kitchens. Cons: 1. Limited capacity, best for couples or small households. 2. No multi-cooking functions. Great for precision, but it might not suit larger families. Cuisinart cooks pancakes and chicken simultaneously. The Cuisinart Griddler Elite offers versatility at an affordable price. Pros: 1. Reversible plates for multiple cooking modes. 2. Digital controls for easy operation. 3. Compact and lightweight. 4. Budget-friendly at around $150. Cons: 1. Lower power, slower cooking times. 2. Plastic components may affect durability. 3. Smaller surface area. Perfect for tight budgets but lacks the power of pricier models. Let's recap. 1. For a high-capacity multifunctional grill, go for the Ninja Foodi Smart XL. 2. If precision and build quality matter most, choose the Breville Smart Grill Pro. 3. On a budget? 3. The Cuisinart Griddler Elite is a versatile choice. Which one's your pick? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more kitchen reviews. Happy grilling!